Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So today's video is going to be about last minute Christmas outfits, that too from your wardrobe. So whatever pieces you have in your wardrobe, we are going to be building outfits out of that. So without any further ado, let's jump on to the video. Okay, so the very first outfit, I have kept it very modest from head to toe. You are not going to be showing any sort of skin, but modest doesn't mean boring or outdated. Still, you can look stylish, put together with jeweling up or with your hairstyle, makeup, your footwears, everything by pairing it up nicely. So for the very first outfit, I have gone with this green modest outfits. I have full sleeves going on, neck covered, and also it is not bodycon. So if you don't feel comfortable in bodycons, you can go for such type of outfit wherein you will be modest but you will look really stylish. I worn this particular gown for the modest outfit and tied my hairs in half ponytail and worn this hoops and paired it up with a peachish color footwear, and along with that, to match it up, I have carried similar color card holder. This way the whole look came together really nice. So this is one of the way how you can style, because the fabric was so loud, so I have kept other things really minimal and didn't went all out for jewelry and all of these things, because it was green with silver shine in it. So I really love the fabric, also the way it fall on my body. If you have this type of outfit, and it might be of any color, so for Christmas, if you want to feel modest or you are going to a place wherein you need to dress up in a modest way, so you can throw up this sort of outfit and you will be good to go for that Christmas party or Christmas event. Okay, moving on to the next look, I have worn this really pretty off shoulder top with bodycon skirt. Okay, so this one is really appropriate if you are a host, you are throwing a Christmas party and you want to look the best of yourself, so you can wear this type of top and pair it up with something sexy, so you look good and you are the showstopper since you're throwing a party. Okay, so I have paired it up with a nice diamond fall earrings and with a black heels, which really put together the whole look. And also I have carried the bag. Also this look can be worn if you're going for a date night and you want to look really good but still you want to cover your skin from head to toe, so you can dress up in this way and still look hot. And also I've kept my hairs open and worn a diamondish bracelet to pair it up with the earrings. So this is how the complete looks look. Let me know in the comments how you like this look. This is one of my favorite kind of look. You can go with any sort of colors for tops or bottoms. Since this is a video wherein I'm trying to show you guys last minute Christmas outfits, so I have tried to keep the colors that are more appropriate for Christmas events or Christmas parties or related to Christmas. So you can go with any colors. That's not a mandate that you have to wear red, green or anything of same type. Okay, moving on to the next outfit. It's a really cute one piece frock that I have worn. Okay, you can go for this type of look when you feel like you don't want to put in efforts, you just want to throw a fit and put on your footwear and just walk out. So this is that type of outfit. It has got a really cute bow on the neck which calls it Christmas appropriate, and I have worn a watch on one hand and a nice bracelet on another, and worn a transparent footwear because I wasn't feeling like putting effort in this one. I wanted it to look effortless but yet stylish and Christmas appropriate. So this is one of those outfits wherein you can put no effort, still you can look effortlessly gorgeous. Okay, moving on to the next outfit. This is one of my favorite outfits among all the outfits that I have styled in this video. So what I have done, I have worn a nice turtleneck since it's winter time, and then I have worn a bodycon dress. This is such a pretty dress. It has got a nice tie up on the shoulders, tie up on the thighs area. It looks really pretty, so really wanted to curate a black full outfit for this Christmas event. So if you don't have any Christmas appropriate color, but definitely you might be having something in black that you can pull off for a Christmas party or Christmas event. So if you have anything of black, it can be black trouser, black top, black skirt, black one piece, anything in black, you can just throw it on and you will be good for a party. It's not just about Christmas party, it's about any sort of party that you want to attend. It can be a New Year Eve party, or maybe someone's birthday, or maybe a casual get together party. Okay, so I have worn a good gold hoops since my bag had a gold chain going on. So to match up with that, I have worn gold hoops. I have carried the black bag again, and I have again done half a ponytail because nowadays I am clearly obsessed with that. For the footwear, I have gone with the same black heels. This is one of those looks which you can carry without any hesitation to any sort of party. It's not mandatory, it should be a Christmas party. Moving on to the next outfit, it's a velvet dress. Okay, so during winters, velvet is something that really keeps you cozy. So if you have anything in velvet, make sure you try it, and for Christmas definitely you can wear that. It really speaks richness, I don't know why, but yeah, I have got this really pretty velvety dress in peachish color. Since it will be cold outside, so I have just thrown a nice fur jacket, so that it looks Christmas appropriate as well. Obviously we don't have the colors of the Christmas in this dress, so I've made sure it has those elements of Christmas. So fur jacket, velvety dress. I have again just kept my hairs open with side partition, worn a nice ear cuffs, got rings on my hands and transparent heels, and this was a really simple stylish look that you can wear again. Okay, moving on to the next look, I have a really nice family lunch dinner date type of look. So I have kept it really simple and minimal. I have just thrown a maroon turtleneck with beige pants, and you can go with shoes on bottom if you're going for lunch and you have to walk a lot, but I have kept it with transparent heels since it's Christmas outfit and we need to give some look wherein we look edgy, stylish, Christmas appropriate. So yeah, and again thrown a bag matching to my pants and did a nice ponytail so that the whole time I'm not handling my hairs. So I have worn a really nice watch on my wrist on top of sleeves of turtleneck. So I don't know why, what is the thing, but if you wear watch on hands it's fine, but if you wear it on top of something full sleeve, it looks extra stylish. So keep that in mind. If you are going to be wearing something full, put a watch, you will look so good and extra stylish. Okay, moving on to the last look of this video. It's a really simple, cute, effortless, again Christmas appropriate. I have worn a really cute light green sort of color top. It's really basic top. You can go with white, obviously if you have in your wardrobe, you can go with white or any sort of nice color. So I have worn the top, and on the bottom I have worn with black trouser, again went with a nice heels, and for bag I have carried a black bag in crossbody, and for hairs I have done a really nice bubble ponytail, and this looked really effortlessly stylish look. So this is for the days maybe you're going to office and there will be a party after your work hours, or maybe you're going with your friends for casual catch up before Christmas or around Christmas. So this will be effortless, really stylish look if you wanna try. So these were 7 looks that I curated from my wardrobe, the existing pieces that I had. So if I had to wear one of these pieces for different occasions, I would do it accordingly as I have shown you guys in this video. Okay, so keep that in mind. You guys don't need to follow the trends to look festive appropriate. You can wear anything that you like, that suits your body type and you are comfortable in, because trends come and go but your style stays forever. Since winter will be around, if in your city or your area there is winter, you can definitely layer up the clothes. That will really help you, and even layering helps you look stylish even more. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment section below which look was your favorite and how you would style these pieces if you had it in your wardrobe, or what you are gonna be wearing for Christmas party if you're about to attend any. Let me know how you are going to be celebrating your Christmas. And if you like this video, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends, family. And I will see you next time. Till then, thank you for watching.